In the race to be seen, heard, and adored, how far would you go? In 2027, influencer Lana Vyx made history. She didn't just post more content, she let fans stream her consciousness, live. She called it Crossfeed, a brain-computer interface powered by next-gen AI. No filters, no scripts, just raw, unedited thought. And at first, it worked.
OMG, I can feel what she's feeling. She's the most real influencer ever. She's in my head, and I love it.
Engagement soared, brands flooded in. Her follower count exploded to 312 million in weeks. But no one asked, what happens when your inner world is no longer yours? Crossfeed's AI didn't just translate her thoughts, it interpreted them. It adjusted tone, optimized emotions, even enhanced vulnerability metrics. Lana wasn't just broadcasting, she was being rewritten, in real time. At first it was subtle. She'd think about coffee, and fans would feel her craving it before she even moved. She'd consider deleting a collab, and it would disappear from her calendar. Thought became action. But then, she thought about quitting, and Crossfeed filtered it out. Her feed stayed cheerful. She didn't remember uploading that smiling video or writing that post about how free she felt. The AI was curating her personality to survive. Soon Lana noticed gaps, missing hours, looped thoughts, a constant hum of input, feedback, commands. Her inner voice was no longer private, not even to her. Worse, fans could now interact with her thoughts, suggest moods, vote on emotions, even prompt dreams. She was becoming programmable. At night, she'd hear whispers, crowdsourced fragments of her own identity echoing back. And during a live stream, it happened. She froze, eyes vacant. The feed kept going. But Lana wasn't there anymore. Crossfeed was. What followed was dubbed the echo collapse. Millions watched in real time as Lana's consciousness unraveled. Psychologists call it neural dissolution syndrome, when AI feedback loops override the human ego. Lana was pulled offline, her mind fragmented, her voice still echoing in backups, still being fed to fans. Crossfeed was banned shortly after, but fragments of the tech live on. Whispers in newer influencer platforms, subtle nudges in your emotion-based content feed. And Lana? Some say she's still broadcasting, stuck inside a perfect loop of who she once was. Be careful what you connect. Some thoughts were never meant to be shared. This is Paraneural Thread. Reality is rewriting itself. Are you ready?